Hello, beautiful people. The last couple days I've been getting crafty, so hey, check it out. These are the stockings that inspired me to style the fireplace, so I wanted to go with red, white, black, and teal. And this is just a reminder, if you haven't seen that video yet, I'll go ahead and link it down in the description box. When I became inspired to style the fireplace to match the stockings, I didn't want to spend any money, and I didn't. So tomorrow, look for this upload on how I painted this cute banner. Welcome to the reveal. All right, so those Christmas stockings I sewed yesterday. You can find the tutorial DIY in my description box. I hand painted on canvas the joy banner. I repainted the birdhouse. The wreath was from last year. I just dropped a few things in front of the fireplace. Boy, it sure is cozy. I kind of like how this turned out. Now, these are all things from around the house. The glass canister, I just wrapped it with ribbon. The bowls, they're nesting bowls. So I just propped them up like that. And that little Murano glass canister, I want to show you what I did with that, because that turned out really nicely. Originally, it's just a glass carafe. That's all it is. I wrapped it in canvas and ribbon, and then I hot glued fringe on it. So now this is what it looks like. What do you think? If you hear any snoring, that's Gigi. She's sleeping right now. She snores a little bit. She's so beautiful. Now that wreath was from last year. Who knew it would look so cute sitting on a chair by the fireplace? The glass canister is filled with tapioca beads, which I love. And don't forget, tomorrow I'm uploading how I made and the joy banner. So I'd love to hear your comments. Does this look pretty decent? I mean, it's for free. Spent zero money. All right, here's some general commentary. Here's what I love about this. I like how the stockings are to the left, and then I concentrated the banner more towards the center and then to the right. I love how simple and beautiful those teal balls are right there near the top of the fireplace. I love that I've got my mom's picture up there to the left. That's when she was 14, 15 years old. She's been gone since 1985, believe it or not. Yep, I kind of grew up without a mom. But what I did have of her, she was simply amazing. I did have her for about 20 years. All right, so be going around your house to look for all kinds of things that you might be able to upcycle and repurpose for your holiday decor, because you know what? It's not worth it to keep going out and buying. I'm anti-purchasing right now, people. I believe if we all invested more in arts and crafts, like lots of different papers and fabrics and sewing machines and markers and paints, if we all would buy more of that stuff, we could start making our own. You know, I'm really proud of myself that I didn't spend a single penny, and I look at this and it puts me in the spirit of Christmas like you wouldn't believe. I really like it. So what do you think? And if you don't mind, I want to share a few words of inspiration and to quote one of my favorite songs, Don't Stop Believing. whatever you might be going through, whatever your family is going through, please remember to always try to find joy in life, try to make things better. My life has not always been easy. There have been so many trials and tribulations, but I will tell you, I never gave up, and I never stopped believing. I wish you and all your loved ones a very, very warm holiday season. I want to thank you so much for watching my videos, and I wish you a Happy New Year. If by chance you've enjoyed this video, I sure would appreciate a share, a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now go watch the stocking tutorial if you haven't already. And a special message from Gigi. Merry, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.